Hello friend, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss what is the git fetch and what is the git pull. What is the difference between git fetch and git pull? Okay, so now let's start. Basically, when we are working in a repository, we have multiple developers and all the developers are working in their local repository, and then after working done, they will push the code into the master repository, that is remote repository. So now we need to make sure that those changes will be also updated in our local repository, right? So what we need to do, so git provide two commands. By using that command, we can update the latest changes from the remote repository to our current working local repository. Okay, so first command we can use the get fetch, and second command we can use the get pull. Now we will discuss what is the difference between get fetch and get pull command. Okay, so as you can see here in the PPT, git fetch is the command that tells your local git to retrieve the latest metadata info from the original. Original means remote repository. Git fetch really only downloads new data from the remote repository, but it does not integrate any of this new data into your working file. So it means when we are using git fetch command, then this will download the latest changes from the remote repository, and this will update your local repository. This will not do any merge, means it will not merge the downloaded latest metadata, latest code into your working directory. Okay, so when we are using the git fetch, then this means this will make sure there is some changes we can need to download those changes in our local repository. This will not impact on our current working directory. Okay, on the other hand, when we are using git pull command, git pull command is used to fetch and download the content from the remote repository. Content means here new changes which is committed by the other developers, right? That will download the content from the remote repository, and immediately this will update the local repository with match content. Means this will also merge the uh, those code with our current working directory, right? This will also try to merge with our local repository. Git pull command is actually a combination of the two commands. One is the git fetch and second is the git merge. So as in the above, git fetch only download the code, it will not merge with current working directory. But when we are using git pull, then it will fetch the code, download the code, latest changes into our local repository, and then it will also merge the code. The git pull command first run git fetch, which download the content from the remote repository, and then git merge is executed to merge the remote content reference heads into our new local merge commit. Right? So in short, git fetch only the download the code and update the local repository, while git pull the latest code from the remote repository, as well as it will merge the code with our current working directory in local repository. Okay, now here in this graph you can see there is a remote repository. When we are using get fetch, then this will only update the local repository content from the remote repository. This will update local repository. When we are using git pull, and it will download the code and merge with our latest commit in working directory. But if we are using git fetch, then we need to run two commands, get fetch and then get merge, to merge our remote code with our current working directory. Okay, let me show some example that will more clear what is the difference here between git pull and get fetch. Now here you can see this is my Git, and I have downloaded the code, clone the code under this folder. And if I run here the Git status, so everything is cleaned, nothing need to update. So now suppose that some developers has made some changes in the remote repository, like let me update some code. This is my feature file. I am going to add here one more tag, regression. Suppose that this is updated from other developers colleague, and that code is they push into the remote repository. Added regression tag. Okay, so this is my commit message. I click on commit changes. So this is updated here. Now this is the commit ID. You can see last digit, few digits are here. This is the latest commit, and if I click here, you will also see the changes, what changes we have done. So now let me push this code, fetch this code. I just use the fetch, but before that let me show you the heads. Right, so currently my current branch as well as the master origin branch both are the pointing to same uh, commits, like latest commit. Okay, so let me now run the get fetch. Okay, so this is the fetch command. You can see this is downloaded the code, but if I go here, src test resources feature, this checkout feature. Okay, so if I open this file, so you can see I'm not able to see the regression tag. Why? Because that is downloaded the code but not merged with my current working directory. Okay, so if I again run the one line, you can see here this is the original uh, commit, original branch, which is pointing to this one, and my current branch is this, right? And if I check here, this will be same like the this commit. You can see here verify. So in that case, when we are using git fetch, then this is downloaded the code, updated the code from remote branch to our local repository. So now how we merge this code with our current working directory. So we need to use here git merge, okay, origin main. Okay, so origin main is our remote branch. We need to merge our local origin main code with our current local main branch. Now you can see this is merged, and if I run this online log, we can see, you can see here both are pointing to same commit. Okay, so now our local branch pointers as well as the remote, both are pointing to same commit. Okay, now let me make some changes, and I will show you the what is the get git pull will do. Okay, I am adding one more tag like esit, and committed here added tag esit. Okay, so commit changes. Okay, let me now, if I go here, you can see currently both are pointing to same latest commit. And now let me call the git fetch, git pull. Git pull. Okay, So first you can see the git pull is fetch the code, and second this is merging the code also. Okay, so if I go here again and check this file, so you will see here that code will automatically merge, means we can see SIT tag. So now here you can see when we are using get fetch, then this is updated the code from the remote repository, but when we are using git pull, then this will also updating code, as well as this will also merging the master code with our current working directory.